Our next question is minus 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 to the power 2 upon 12 into 3 to the power 7. So what we will first do it, write it into simple exponential form. We will write minus 2 to the power 5 as minus 1 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 into 2 upon 12. We will just find the factors of 12. Those are 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So it can be written as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 7. So proceeding further, 1 to the power minus 1 to the power 5, I said as above, if minus power comes odd times it is minus 1. So it is minus 1 multiplied by the 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 to the power 10 upon 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 1 and 7 it is written. So it can be written as 1 plus 7. So proceeding further, here minus 1 will be written as minus sign. Now 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 2, these are in divide. So what we will do, we will just subtract the powers. And further, so this term is eliminated now as we have taken this 2 as minus 2 above. And further, it was given 3 to the power 10 upon 3 to the power 8, means 3 to the power 8 was in divide. So we will just subtract the powers. So here this term is also eliminated, so in denominator nothing is left. So minus 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. This is our answer. If you want to solve it further, we can write as minus 2 to the power 3 can be written as 8 and 3 to the power 2 is 9, so minus 72. We can write the answer in this. If the question says write in exponential form, we will leave it here, and if it says to simplify, we will solve till minus 72. So our another question is simplify and write in exponential form. The question here is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 plus minus 11 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power minus 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 8 minus 2 upon 5 to the power 0. So we have to first simplify it, that is we have to find a normal answer, not in exponential form but a simple answer, and then what the answer will come, we will write that answer in exponential form. So 2 to the power 3 is 8 into 3 to the power 2 is 9 plus minus 11 to the power 2. 11 to the power 2 is 121 and minus into minus is 2 times. When the minus power comes even times, we write it as plus. And then here it is given 2 to the power minus 5 divided by 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power minus 5 and 2 to the power minus 8. So here this term is in divide, and when the powers with same base, when the same base numbers with different powers are in divide, we just subtract the powers. So we will do the same thing. 2 to the power minus 5 minus 8 plus, sorry, it is given minus 2 upon 5 to the power 0. Any number, even either plus or negative or x or y to the power 0 gives 1. So minus won't be plus. This minus 2 to the power 5 has power 0, so this whole term will become 1. Any number with power 0 will become 1. So it will become 72 plus is 121 plus 2 to the power minus minus is plus, it will give as plus 3 minus 1. It will come as 72 plus this is 193 plus 8 minus 1, it will get us 200, and we have to write this 200 in exponential form. So what we will do, we will find the factors of it. 2s are 100, 2s are 50, 2s are 25, 5s are 5, 5s are 1. So it is 2 into 2 into 2, it is 3 times. So 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 into 5, it is 2 times. This is our answer in exponential form. So the next question will be (1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 minus 1 upon 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 1 upon 4 to the power minus 2. We have to just simplify it. Simplify means we have to give an answer, not in exponential form but a simple answer. So when the power is in negative, we have to first change that negative power into positive, and for changing that negative power into positive, what we have to do, we have to just reciprocate the number. So 1 upon 3 can be written as 3, and power will be changed minus 2 to plus 2, minus 1 upon 2 to the power minus 3, so 3 to the power, so power number will come up and power will be changed from minus to plus, divided by 4 to the power 2 minus 2, 1 upon 4, so 1 upon 4 will be written as 4 and minus 2 will be as plus 2. So 3 to the power 2 is 9, minus 2 to the power 3 is 8, divided by 4 to the power 2 is 16. This is 1 divided by 16, so we will get our answer as 1 upon 16. This is our answer. Taking one more question. The question here is 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2. So what we will do here is 3 to the power 0 can be written as 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 means 1 upon 4 to the power 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 means 4. First we will take the, it is written in bracket, we will follow BODMAS everywhere. So according to BODMAS we have to first solve this bracket. So what we will do is take the LCM here. 4 divided by 1 is 1, is 4 divided by 1 is 4, and 4 into 1 is 4 multiplied by 4. So 5 upon 4 into 4, 4 and 4 will be reduced, we will get 5 as a answer. Taking one more question. The question here is 5 to the power n plus 2 minus 5 to the power n plus 1 upon 5 to the power n plus 3. You may find this question a bit difficult, but it is not. If like we said that 5 to the power m multiplied by 5 to a to the power n, we will get a to the power m plus n, and we can write it vice versa too, like a to the power m plus n, we will write it as a to the power m plus a to the multiplied by a to the power n. In the same way, 5 to the power n plus 2 means 5 to the power m multiplied by 5 to the power 2 minus 5 to the power n multiplied by 5 to the power 1 upon 5 to the power n multiplied by 5 to the power 3. We have just broken these powers. Now if we see here, it is written 5 to the power n minus multiplied by 5 to the power 2, and here it is also minus 5 to the power n multiplied by 5 to the power 1. In both these terms, 5 to the power n is common. So 5 to the power n we will take it as common, and 5 to the power 2 minus 5 to the power 1 will be left here. Clear? This term we took as common and these two are left. 5 to the power n multiplied by 5 to the power 3. So 5 to the power n multiplied by 25 minus 5 upon 5 to the power n multiplied by 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power n multiplied by 20 upon 5 to the power n multiplied by 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n is cancelled. We left with 20 upon 5 into 5 into 5. This 5 will be reduced to 4. So 4 upon 25 is our answer. So taking one more question, the question here is 2 to the power 11 divided by 2 to the power 5 equals to 2 to the power minus 3 and 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 and minus 1. In this question we have to find n. We have to find the value of n. The two things are given in equals, means this is equals to this. So for finding the value of n, we need a single term in the left hand side and a single term in the right hand side. So reducing into single term, what we will do is, it's given 2 to the power 11 divided by 2 to the power 5. So when it is divided, we just subtract the powers. So we will subtract the powers. 2 to the power 11 minus 5 equals to, here it is 2 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 and minus 1. It is given multiply. When the bases are same and it is in multiplier, then the powers are added. So 2 to the power minus 3 powers will be added, so plus 2n minus 1. So proceeding further, it will give 2 to the power 6 equals to 2 to the power minus 3 plus 2n minus 1. So 2 to the power 6 equals to 2 to the power 2n minus 4. So here the two terms are in equal and the bases are same. So we can just on comparing, we'll just keep the powers equal and then we will find the value of n. So 2n will equals to 6 plus 4, 2n equals to 10, n equals to 5. So this is the value of 5. Like here, if we say it is given 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power y, then we can just keep the powers in equal. Like 3 is equals to 3. It is very simple thing. So if we keep 2 to the power 3 will be equals to 2 to the power 3, means if we take the bases as same, then powers will be equal. If the like here the bases were same and they are kept in equal, means the powers were equal, then only they can come equal. So if x was 1, then y will also be 1, like 2 to the power 1 equals to 2 to the power 1. But if x was 5, y will also be 5. 2 to the power 5 is equals to 2 to the power 5. But if we take x equals to 6 and y equals to 7, then 2 to the power 6 is equal to 2 to the power 7. This won't be possible. 2 to the power 6 is 64 and 2 to the power 7 is 128. So 64 cannot be equal to 128. So in the same way, if the bases are same, the powers will be equal and they will have to be equal. In the same way, the bases were same, we kept the powers equal and we have find the value of n.